Baixiang Yuanfang Enamel Cookware Company Limited is a private enterprise manufacturing cast iron cookware started since 2009 and located in Baixiang Industry Park, Xingtai City. The manufactory covers about 21,000 square meters, with 12,000 square meters workshop area, including 6 warehouse. With over 10 years of designing and manufacturing experience, we offer superior and qualified products of cookware and bakeware, outdoor BBQ grill accessories, dedicating to simplify your cooking life. Quality is the cornerstone of our business. We stick to a strict quality control system for both material purchasing and production process. We are capable of innovating new products according to market needs. We have supplied to QVC from USA and Germany, TTU, Kohl. We regularly send our products to SGS, TUV, BV, and other third testing laboratories to make sure we can match the requirement of the quality certificates such as CA65. Our factory also has passed BSCI, ISO 9001, and Kohl factory audit. We are committed to providing our customers with superior service. We always listen to customer concerns and feedbacks to improve to satisfy our customers. We sincerely look forward to long-term business with all of our customers. YF Cookware, a brand synonymous with quality, craftsmanship, and reliability. Welcome to contact us and make win-win cooperation.